Fisheyes occur when oils and chemicals are left on your screen after the reclaim process. Pinholes are little holes that pop up on your exposed screen when dust or lint get on your mesh before coating, or from when grime is left on your exposure unit glass. Everyone sees these mistakes at some point, so here are 4 easy tips on how to avoid these mistakes and a simple way to fix them when they pop up. Tip 1. Clean your darkroom. Keep your floors, surfaces, fans all dust-free. Ideally, if your darkroom has a lot of traffic or you are in a dusty area, mop and sweep every week. For a cheap and easy way to cut down on particles in the air, cut out the mesh on a busted screen and attach it to the back of a fan. That'll act as your filter. You can also pick up some furnace filters and put them behind your fans. Tip 2. Clean the glass in your exposure unit. Fingerprints, dust, dirt, adhesion from tape, all will eventually get the glass dirty, and these things will block the light coming from the exposure unit. All this grime on the glass acts as mini film positives, and they expose these little holes on your screen. This is the most common reason for pinholes. Clean your glass often. More times than not, you won't even catch the grime that causes the pinholes until you are done exposing your screen. Tip 3. Degrease your screens. Whether your screens are new or old, degreasing is incredibly important to prevent fisheyes. Base layer emulsion prep, screen stuff, screen haze remover, and screen degreaser all have degreasing properties and do an amazing job at prepping your screen. Once you are done with the degrease or dehaze step, do a flood rinse. The water should cascade down the screen with no interruptions. If there is a spot that behaves like oil on water, go back to that spot and degrease it again. Tip 4. Use soft or hard water filters on your hose. Hard or soft water residue can cause adhesion issues with your emulsion, leading to pinholes and other screen issues. You want the water to be as clean as possible, so removing minerals found in your tap water is key. Do some research on whether your tap is hard or soft water, then get the filter built for that. While soft and hard water can be problematic, if you're using a good degreaser, that will usually keep your mesh clean. Even in the best of shops, you'll eventually get a pinhole or a fisheye. The best way to fix them is to use screen tape or a blockout pen. If you're using water-based inks, try clear nail polish. Your best habits will be to backlight all newly created screens so you can find any defects before you go to production. You are now prepared for everything that can cause these annoying issues. Shoot us a comment if you have any more questions and we'll do our best to answer. Like and subscribe if this video helped you out, and we will see you in the next video.